What's your name?
Tali.
Ali?
Tali, yes.
And yeah, there's no problem at all except one. Where are you from?
Cuba.
Huh?
Cuba, America.
America?
Yes. What happened?
Okay. Nothing happened. Like you just break the law and you have to pay the fine. You have to pay the fine of $1,200.
What?
Yes.
No. Sorry, why? Why?
As per the rules of our government, you are not allowed to look this much beautiful in a public area. So you have to pay the fine.
Are you kidding me, right?
No, I'm not kidding. I'm serious. You have to pay the fine because you are breaking the law of attraction. You are attracting everybody, including me. So that's why I came here.
Wait, you?
Yeah, yeah. This is my job. I'm collecting fines from everyone. Yeah.
How much is it?
$1,200.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why you think I have this much money?
Yeah. Why not? You look rich.
You're not rich.
You look attractive. You look rich. You must have this much money.
So you can pay for me, right?
No, I cannot pay. How can I pay?
I'm attractive to you. You should pay.
I'm not your friend. I'm not your. I don't know you. I just met you. But we can do one thing.
Okay.
We can become friends.
Okay.
Then maybe as
Okay,
I can
so
think about
if
to
I
paying.
am your friend, I don't
Yeah,
have to pay,
yeah,
right?
yeah. You are like sitting alone. You're waiting for someone.
No.
No.
No, just drinking alone, having
Okay.
some time for me.
Can I drink? Is it like good,
Yes.
delicious? Can I drink with you?
Sure.
May I join you?
Sit. Join, drink, eat. What you need?
If you were me, give me some tips. What's your ways to grow some friendship with someone?
Like this, spending some good time.
Okay.
Do you think it's good way?
You eat this regular?
This is the first time I want to taste something new.
Okay. This is Chinese. You eat Chinese?
Yes.
Like what's the best dish you like?
I really like sushi.
Sushi? Sushi is Japanese, not Chinese.
Anyways.
Okay.
So, you like it?
Yeah, I like it.
Tasty, right?
Yeah, quite tasty. I generally collect a lot of wines from people from different reasons. You gave me the another one. Like look attractive. Just can you tell me why you look this much attractive? You don't feel shy or embarrassed like I'm making people disturb or distract?
I don't know, maybe because of my Latin blood.
Latin blood?
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe this attracts people.
Okay.
My attitude.
Your attitude? You
Yeah.
have attitude?
Yes.
What kind of attitude?
I'm a very confident woman.
Okay.
So this attracts people.
Okay.
When they see someone very sure of herself,
Okay.
it's like, oh,
All
I
right.
think maybe.
And like what kind of guys you generally got attracted towards? No?
I don't
You like girls?
know.
So what kind of guys like what features you like in guys?
Like physical or mental?
Both mental, spiritual, physical, like everyone.
Also confident.
Confidence.
Yes.
You know I have a lot of confidence.
You have?
Every
Oh,
time.
good.
Yeah. That's why I go like this, handle all the city. Yeah.
Okay. So about you now, my friend, what to do exactly?
What am I do?
Yes.
हम यहाँ के रॉबिन हुड हैं. You know Robin Hood?
Yep. Robin Hood takes the things from the rich people and give to the poor people. So that's your job?
Yeah,
to do
yeah,
this?
yeah.
So Robin Hood, you want to take from me or ask me for money?
No. I don't ask you for money. That's why I become growing my friendship.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Growing.
forget about
Yeah.
the money, right?
Yeah. You just
Because
forget
now
about
we're
the money.
friends.
I have different sources of getting money.
Okay.
Lot of.
Perfect.
Okay. So we both together distribute that money into the poorest people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect.
I didn't felt hot this far,
Really?
but
How? With this?
wait. I didn't felt when I came here. I didn't felt hot, but now when I'm sitting with you, I'm getting that hot feeling. Yeah.
I'm like a son for you, right?
Yeah.
No.
And you know what? I should tell you something. I got some information from someone that in school they found a bomb.
A bomb?
Bomb. Yes.
Why?
Explosive bomb.
But how?
My team go there and searched everywhere.
Okay.
They didn't found a bomb. You know why? Because that bomb is sitting at front of me.
You're good for jokes.
Yeah. I crack a lot of jokes like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. How many time you spend in India?
8 months.
8 months?
Yes.
How's your experience in 8 months?
Good. Very good actually. First different
Uh-huh.
because of culture is not the same, but it's good. Now
You like
I'm
the
adapted.
culture?
Yes. Now I
Okay.
like it. Yes.
Have
I
you
enjoyed it a lot.
you made any friends or like dated someone this far in here?
Not Indian people.
Not Indian people. You don't. I'm getting that intuition that you don't like Indian people.
No, no, no. Why? Why you say this? No.
Huh?
I don't know. I don't have the chance to meet someone.
You okay?
who
So now you
affects me.
so now you met me. You're getting that feeling or intuition that you kind of like me as a person.
Maybe we have to meet more, but
We have to meet more.
yes.
Okay. Except this cafe where we can meet.
I don't know. We could go dancing to a club, maybe.
Dancing.
Yes.
You like dancing?
You like dancing?
I've sucked in dancing.
No.
I suck in dancing.
No, 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 no.
It would be better if you teach me some moves,
That's good.
some great moves.
Okay. I can teach you.
You can
Yes.
do that. I think we can.
We can share.
Wait. I'm happy. It's commissioner, my like upper authority. Hello. हाँ जी कमिश्नर सर, स्पॉट पे आना पड़ेगा अभी। नहीं मैं नहीं आ सकता सर, मैं बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और सर मैं केस सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ। बहुत ही सर बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट और बहुत ही प्यारा केस है, मैं सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ। सर समझा करो, नहीं आ सकता मैं सर, इंटरनेशनल लेवल का केस है। या सर प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड ना, आप देखिए ना थोड़ा, मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ बाद में। My upper authority. Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yeah, he wanted me to come. I said I cannot come.
No,
I'm
no, you're
solving
busy.
very important case.
Yes. Sure.
Yeah, you are important to me. My friends are very important to me. You become friend very newly, so you are important to me right now. I spend my time like this.
Perfect.
And what we can do, we can plan another day, like in order to grow our friendship. I just want to grow the relationship between India and America.
Okay.
Too much, fights between them.
Yes.
And I want to improve that relation between India and America. So
I can help you.
Yeah. So in order to improve that relation, I think we're supposed to meet more.
Okay.
We can plan another meet in the gym.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Yes. I love gym.
Yes.
I can teach you dance. You train me in the gym. Okay?
Okay. So what kind of exercise you like? Like cardio much, weightlifting much, kickboxing. So may I have your like contact?
Yes.
What would you like to give me? You have Indian number?
Yes.
Okay. This is your number?
Yep.
So I think I gotta leave now,
Okay.
and we can meet any other day.
Sure. Keep
Yeah.
in touch.
Okay.
Friend.
Yeah,
Pleasure.
sure. I got your number,
Yes.
and about that fine, I will keep remember.
Okay.
Okay, you just enjoy your time. Okay. सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, एंड कैसी लगी वीडियो नीचे कमेंट करके अपना फीडबैक जरूर दें, और प्लीज़ अगर हो सके तो इसको अपने फ्रेंड कलीग्स फैमिली के साथ शेयर जरूर करना। सो कीप लविंग, कीप सपोर्टिंग, और हम लौटेंगे जल्दी एक नई वीडियो के साथ में।